Hello everyone, my name is Minnie. I'm a sales engineer from Colors LED. Today, I will show you about our LED silicone neon strip show box. And now, I will focus on introduce our NMS 12x17 and the NMT 30x12 model series to you. And total have 3 parts. Part 1. What is the NMS 12x17 and the NMT 30x12 series? Part 2. What is the product advantage to you? Part 3. Where can we use it? Let me show you. This product is our NMS 12x17 product. And this one is the horizontal band. Also, you can call it side band. And this product, the luminous surface is 12 mm and the height is 7 mm. This is our NMT 30x12 product. And this one is the vertical band. And you can call it top band. For this product, the luminous surface is 30 mm and the height is 12 mm. Both models, we can provide 4 series to your option. One is white color and RGB single color series. 2 is the tunable white series. 3 is digital series. The final one is the ultra long series. After that, I want to share about what is our product advantage for you. Main 3 points I want to remind you. Firstly, point is in here, our product is used ductless end cap. So, when you mix 2-piece neon strip installation together, you will not easily get the black point. Second point is that we have many different installation accessory options to support you through the installation program. And third, as our product is used extrusion molding technology for production, so the product can meet the IK08 and IP67. Let us show you some tests now. Finally, we need to show you where can we use it, right? For both models, we can apply on indoor and outdoor decoration. Let's see the project sample. To help you know the details and show with your local customer, Colors also can provide demo box for you. Thank you for your time. If you want to know more details back, you can check from our website www.colorsled.com. If you have any other questions, welcome to send email to us. Bye.